determine the midpoint of the line segment between negative 1, 2 and 5, 10. So we'll start with the formula. So the midpoint x comma y is equal to the same formula up here. Now, so the x1 plus x2 are adding the two x coordinates, negative 1 and 5. So negative 1 plus 5 divided by 2, comma. And for the y1 plus y2, that would be 2 and 10 added, divided by 2. So negative 1 and 5 add to 4. And 2 and 10 add to 12. And so we divide each of those by 2 and we get the point 26. So that's the midpoint we're talking about. Now what it looks like in the graph, if we plot the 2 points, here's the point negative 1, 2. And here's the point 5, 10. And so once we plot the 2 points, we join them with a line segment. And 2, 6 is supposed to be the midpoint. So we'll plot the point 2, 6 here. And so notice that that is the middle of the line segment. The distance from 2, 6 down to here is the same as from 2, 6 up to the 5, 10 point. Or this distance right here, or this distance right here is half of the total length. Is the exact middle of the line segment.